that you're part of a research team that's working for a cure for blindness. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yes, I'm part of a research project that consists of finding new alternatives to curing blindness, such as surgery. And that project has taught me to not take my eyes for granted. And if it's because of your eyes that you're watching this incredible show tonight, and it's because of your eyes that you'll be able to read who's the next Miss Universe.
Hey. Enough of the eye jokes. Starting to hurt me a little bit. Thank you, Haiti.
Miss Universe walking coach Lou says in rehearsals that Haiti soaked up feedback like a sponge.
Haiti!
A few years back, I saw my grandmothers go blind because of glaucoma. There's a lot of glaucoma running in the family. I might get it too when I get old. So I went to college and I got my degree in optometry. I'm currently working on a project on the regeneration of the optic nerve to find a cure for blindness. Haiti has suffered a lot through the past decade. I want the world to know that we Haitian women, we are strong and we are resilient. No matter what happens, we are always ready to get back on our 2 feet and accomplish our goals.
Haiti had trouble deciding between 3 gowns for tonight. I think she made a great choice.
Haiti!
Strong, resilient woman. No matter what happens to us, we are always ready to get back on our 2 feet and to go on with life and make the most out of it.
Haiti. On January 21st, an estimated 4.8 million people marched worldwide for human rights, women's rights, and other issues. If you were able to participate, what would you have been marching for?
Hello everybody. One of the women I admire in the world is Eleanor Roosevelt, because she fought so much for human rights, and I feel like that's what we need in the world. We are just one. 100,000 years ago, 6 species of human lived in the world. Now we are just one, and we all need each other, and we need to respect each other.
Thank you, Haiti. Haiti! Ladies and gentlemen, your 3 finalists. From Haiti. Haiti, here's your question. Name something over the course of your life that you failed at and tell us what you learned from that experience.
Can you repeat the question?
Name something over the course of your life that you failed at and tell us what you learned from that experience.
About 7 years ago, I survived the earthquake. I feel I was failing myself because I was not living my dreams. I was living day by day, and that earthquake, it was a bad event, but I chose to be a very positive person and learn a great lesson from it, because if I am here today, it's because I am living my dreams. Thank you.
Thank you, Haiti.
You know that I'm right, oh yeah. Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play with my mind? Said we'd be forever, baby. Said we'd never die, yes. How could you love me and you need
to both of you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Peter. A year late, but thank you. Thank you, God.